Have you ever wondered what would happen if you connected the emotions of your clients to the physical? I'm sure you have, and I'm sure you've thought, oh, okay, no, that's too much work, or no, I don't really want to deal with emotions. It's in the too hard basket. What's really hard is you doing the work on your clients when they're not giving one little bit, when they're being resistant. Because when you're resistant to everything. You are resistant to everything. And just think about that. You're resistant to everything. The more you resist, the more you're resistant to everything. If your body's feeling resistance to what you're doing for that client, what do you think your emotions are doing? Sort of a no-brainer. If you were resistant to giving yourself some freedom, what are you being resistant to, and why are you being resistant? If you gave that question to your client as they're holding tension or they're not letting go, that resistance is coming from somewhere. You're doing all your work as a therapist and you're giving everything, and it's exhausting as a therapist. You're trying to get a result, obviously. They're not giving or letting go to anything that you're going to do for them because they're in resistance. Brings me to the question, what are you being resistant to by not finding out what you can do emotionally for your clients? We run our lives with pushing, trying to get things done, trying to get an outcome, trying to get a result. And this goes for anything we do. The more you push, the more that boulder gets bigger and harder because we are trying to struggle with so many things in our lives. If you had let go and let that boulder just run down, you can watch it just run down. And that hill seems so much easier to climb because you're not pushing this boulder up a hill. You're not trying to get a result and trying to massage and need a muscle that's tight. You're not trying to stretch something that's being resistant. You're not trying to have something happen to a body. If you were just to find out by doing one step, by finding out one thing about your client that's resisting them, your whole session will be so much easier.